Hey everyone, if you have ever struggled to keep your work, projects, or team organized, you know how frustrating it can be. Between tracking tasks, communicating with your team members, managing deadlines, and sharing files, it's easy for things to get messy first. That's where tools like Monday.com come in. Monday.com is a popular work management platform used by teams, freelancers, business owners, and all the business sizes to organize the tasks and projects in one place. Today, we are going to do an honest review of Monday.com, its key features, pricing consideration, pros and cons, and help you to decide whether it is worth to using for your business or not. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link in the description if you want to try monday.com. By using the link, any free trial or special offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. So first, what is monday.com basically? Simply, it is a work operating system, a platform that helps you to plan, organize, and track your work across teams or projects. Think of it as like a digital workspace where everything related to your work lives in one place. Instead of using separate apps for chat, tasks, files, and deadlines, Monday.com tries to bring all of that together so you can see everything at a glance. One of the first things you will notice when you open the Monday.com is its visual layout. Basically, it uses boards and column that you can customize based on your workflow. For example, you could create a board for website development, another for marketing tasks, and another for client requests. Each board can have list, task, deadlines, and status indicators. Monday.com makes it easy to move tasks around, switch properties, and update the progress so that your team always knows what's happening. Even you can add the color coded labels to show whether a task is in progress, completed, or need review. This simple visual approach helps the reduce confusion and makes it easier to stay on top of the work without having to dig through the emails or messages. A powerful feature of Monday.com is the automation. You can set the rules so the system updates itself based on the certain action. For instance, if a task is marked as done, you can have Monday.com automatically notify another team member or update a date or move the task to a new column. This saves you time and prevent the need to manually update things over and over again. Automation can be simple or complex depending on how your team or you want the works. But even basic automation can remove many repetitive tasks for your daily routine. Integrations are another big part of Monday.com's strength. If you use other apps in your business like email, calendar, cloud storage, or communication tool, you can connect them to Monday.com. That means your files, messages, and updates that all can be linked and seen within the same system. For example, you could connect your Google Drive and have files easily accessible directly from your Monday.com's board. When it comes to communication, Monday.com allows comments on tasks, attachments, and shared updates so everyone stays in the loop. You can tag the team member on specific items or share files, leave the feedback, and see the history of changes. It's like having a central place for both planning and discussing work, so nothing important gets lost in chat apps or email threads. Okay, so let's talk about the pricing. Monday.com offers several pricing plans depending on features you need and the number of users. It typically starts with a basic plan. It covers essential task management and visual boards. As you move to the higher plan, you unlock the advanced automation, integrations, reporting, and security features. For small teams or individuals, the basic plan is often enough to organize the work without feeling overwhelmed. But if your business grows or you need complex automations and analytics, Higher tiers are often more powerful capabilities. The pricing can seem a bit higher than some simpler tools, but many users find the value worth it because of the time saved and improved organization. Of course, it's also fair to talk about some limitation. Monday.com can feel overwhelming with too many features or options. Beginner may need a little time to learn how to set up the board, how to automate and integrations work. There is also a learning curve if you are not used to visual task board or workflows. Additionally, some smaller teams may find that they don't need all the advanced features and end up paying for things that are not useful for them. Another thing to consider is that Monday.com works best when your whole team uses it consistently. If only one person in your business uses the platform and other stick to the email or chat, you may not get the full benefit of collaboration features. But when teams adopt it together, the centralized workspace can drastically improve the communication and task management. So is Monday.com worth it? For many business, freelancers, and teams, the answer is yes. If you need a flexible system that can grow with your needs, manage tasks visually, automate the repetitive work, and keep everyone aligned, Monday.com delivers a comprehensive set of features. It may take a little time to set up and learn, but the productivity gains and reduce the confusion that makes it a strong choice for people who want a full work management solution rather than a simple task list. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video helped you to better understanding about Monday.com, like how the platform works, its pros and cons, and whether it could help your business stay organized. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description so any free trial or special offer is applied automatically when you try the Monday.com. I will see you in the next video where we will explore more tools that help you to work smarter and grow online.